And this is my TP-Link wireless receiver. Sometimes it's not working and there is no network issue. Now let's see how to fix. First of all, just go to any browser, then go to the tplink.com, and this is official website. Then find out the support and download center. I can see in top far there is a support. Just go to the support and then download center. Yes, this is the download center. Now type the model number in your device. In that case, my device number is WN725 and this is my device. You can source your device also. And this is my device, and there is a version. Now you have to download your specific driver for your device. Just click the driver, and this is my driver. I am using Windows 10. In that case, this is my driver. Just download. Yes, it's complete. Now you have to install this software in your computer, and this is my software. Just installing this software in my computer. Wait a few seconds. Yes, it's done. Just click to OK. Then one thing you have to do, just plug out your device from the computer. Then again plugging the device. Then you have to restart your PC one times, and after the restart, I hope your computer will be fixed the network issue. Thanks for watching. Sorry for my bad English.